Hey there, nature lovers. Welcome to another adventure with Epic Earth Found as we go to one of Colorado's most spectacular hidden gems. Today, we are exploring the San Luis Valley during one of nature's most impressive displays, the spring migration of sandhill cranes. These magnificent birds make this valley their temporary home each spring, and I was lucky enough to witness this spectacle firsthand at the Monte Vista Crane Festival. And let me tell you, it did not disappoint. Standing at nearly 4 feet tall with a wingspan of about 6 feet, sandhill cranes are truly impressive birds. Their distinctive red crowns and trumpet-like calls make them unmistakable. What you are hearing right now is their unique rattling call that can be heard from over a mile away. The San Luis Valley serves as a critical stopover for these birds on their journey from their wintering grounds in Mexico and New Mexico to their breeding grounds as far north as Alaska and Siberia. Up to 27,000 cranes pass through this valley between February and April each year. That's right, 27,000. When we visited the Monte Vista Crane Festival, we joined hundreds of other wildlife enthusiasts who had gathered to witness this spectacular event. The festival offers guided tours, workshops, and the chance to see these birds up close as they feed in the agricultural fields and wetlands that dot the valley. In the early mornings, you can catch what is called the flyout, when thousands of cranes leave their overnight roosting spots in the wetlands to head to nearby fields to feed. As the sun begins to rise, the sky fills with birds, echoing their call across the valley. While we were there, we were treated to their famous courtship dance. Sandhill cranes mate for life, which can be 20 years or more. But that doesn't stop them from reinforcing their bonds with an elaborate dance. They bow, jump, spread their wings, and throw sticks in the air. It's both comical and beautiful. But the cranes are just one part of what makes the San Luis Valley so special. At over 8,000 feet in elevation and spanning 122 miles long and 74 miles wide, this is North America's highest alpine valley. It's surrounded by the stunning San Juan Mountains to the west and the Santa Fe Crystal Range to the east. The valley's unique geology creates a high-altitude desert with dramatic temperature swings. Days can be warm and sunny, while nights plunge below freezing. These conditions, along with the abundant water from mountain snowmelt, creates a mosaic of habitats that support incredible biodiversity. See the beaver? We're at the Monte Vista Bird Festival. Here are all the birds. And he just all of a sudden appeared. See if I can get him. Oh. Here are all the birds. We have a bunch of coots around us and blackbirds. We're here to see sandhill cranes though, but we're seeing all these other animals. Oh, he's so cool. I've never seen a beaver. As our time in the valley came to an end, we witnessed one final spectacular evening fly-in as thousands of cranes returned to their roosting sites. The Sandhill crane migration through the San Luis Valley is more than just a birdwatching opportunity. It is a reminder of the ancient rhythms that continue to pulse through our natural world. These birds have been making this same journey for millions of years, long before humans were here to witness it. When you stand in the valley watching the sky fill with wings and listening to their calls, you can't help but feel connected to something bigger than yourself. And in today's world, that's a feeling worth protecting. So if you get a chance, make the journey to the San Luis Valley in Colorado in late February or March. I promise those dancing cranes and that spectacular landscape will stay with you long after you've gone home. There's a moose right there. See him? Ooh, he's a pretty one. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow nature enthusiasts. Until next time, keep exploring the wild places.